This past weekend I went shopping with a neighbor of mine and I ended up with a little something from the Chanel store, and I'm going to unbox my purchase today. Ladies, welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. I am so excited about unboxing my purchase because it's been sitting just like this for 2 days since I bought it. So first I'm going to undo the little ribbon. Let's see, my husband even asked me what I bought and I haven't been able to show him my purchase because it's in the box. I said, well, I need to film an unboxing video so I can't show you what I bought yet. And here is the beautiful box. Gonna remove the little flower and untie it. If you know me, ladies, you probably know what's in here by now. Especially if you know the Chanel handbag, which I bought last month for myself. But we're still gonna go through the unboxing process. Let's see how it opens. Okay. I have the little manual and stuff. Do you ladies ever keep these? I actually don't. I only kept it for the first Chanel handbag I bought, but then I never really kept them. I don't know. I'm curious if you ladies do keep it. Maybe I should keep this. This is a dust bag, I guess, to help me handle the handbag. But other than that, I don't really keep any of this. It's just stuff is gonna sit in my closet gathering dust. I don't want that. Let's get to the fun part now. So there, going to take this and this and this. That's a lot of paper. And there's the dust bag. And hi Richie, hey handsome boy. Let's see. Okay, so we're narrowing down to what I bought. Okay, Richie. I told you ladies, he's always stealing my thunder. What is it, Chadwick? Of course, and now Chadwick comes too. I know every time I open something and I get a little excited, they think it's a present for them. And now he put his Bisham butt in front of the camera. Okay, can you scoot up there? Thank you, sweet boy. That's a good boy set. Okay, life with doggies. And there we have more wrapping paper. Okay, let's just rip it open. There. Okay. Much faster. There you have it. It's a beautiful, yes, much quicker if you just rip it open. It's a beautiful white Chanel handbag because I don't have a white Chanel and I needed one. Yes. So let's get all these little pieces of paper. It's the classic flap. Dual flap. I prefer the dual flaps because I believe oh my goodness, he is trying to steal my thunder. I prefer the dual flaps because I believe they hold the structure of the handbag longer. I know that the single flap is cost just a little bit less, but I would rather pay a little bit of money and have my handbags hold up better. I like to keep my Chanel handbags forever, like be buried with them. So I do prefer to make sure I buy pieces that would last me for as long as I can. And then of course it has the little pocket in the back, which I love because I can always put my cell phone in there. Oh, this is the price. Okay, so it's the small classic. And I also love the hardware. It's not a very striking gold. It's more like a champagne color, so I can wear the handbag even if I wear like silver jewelry, like in this case. Like I said, I do love this little pocket because I can just stick my phone right in there. So it makes it very easy for me to carry. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, oh, you should feel the chain. It's so pretty. So the color is white, caviar finish. As I mentioned in my earlier videos, I do love the look and feel of lambskin, but lambskin just loses those puffy quills quicker. So I went with the caviar. This is an up-close shot of the beautiful handbag. Notice the silver color hardware, and then in the back, the pocket, which I'm often going to use for my cell phone. And let's take a look on the inside. It opens with the clasp. Then we have the dual flap right here. Then we have the signature pocket for the flap handbags. And this pocket always goes upside down. Though on the small size of handbag, this pocket it's only about this deep. I doubt I can store really anything in there. And this pocket does not go down, it just goes up. So basically that pocket is just for looks. Then this is the inside. Oh my goodness, notice the beautiful CC logo on the side, and then the Chanel name in gold. This is I think my favorite handbag because it's in white and gold, my two favorite colors. Then the handbag has a pocket right here, and on the inside it has a big compartment, two small pockets right here. In this pocket, almost always I keep the authentication card. And this pocket, of course, is for lipstick container, but I never use it. Oh my goodness, can you imagine having an accident, the lipstick spilling over or bleeding into wet? Now I'm gonna show you a few outfits with which I'm going to wear my beautiful handbag. I'm kind of like in a trance. Just give me a moment. The red skirt with the red top along with the red and white shoes and then the beautiful white handbag is the outfit I am most excited about wearing. I do believe I need to lose a couple of pounds because the skirt kind of feels snuggish on my waist. Then, oh my gosh, I have so many dresses that are white, floral type summer dresses. In this case, I picked this beautiful off-the-shoulder dress. I'm going to get a lot of use of the handbag through the summer. I can also use the handbag in the cooler weather. I can see myself using some jeans and then some top that has some white in it, or even a solid white top to wear the handbag. I can also use the handbag with a lot of outfits that are a skirt paired with a white top. In this case, I found in my closet this beautiful pink flowy skirt and I'm wearing it with just a simple white t-shirt. I can also wear the handbag with a lot of casual outfits. In this case, I picked a short skirt and I'm wearing it with some flats. And the flats are in silver color. And I still believe they go well with the handbag because the handbag has champagne color hardware. By the way, the t-shirt that I have on with the skirt, and it's the same t-shirt I had on with the pink skirt, it's a very long t-shirt, but I tied the t-shirt to the waist with an elastic, and then I just tucked the tied part underneath to hide the elastic. Knowing my style, I'm going to wear the handbag most of the time, carrying it in my hand with a dual strap. Sometimes I'm going to put it over my shoulder, but still I'm going to carry it with a dual strap. I do think every now and then I will change the strap and keep it as a single strap and carry it on my shoulder that way. The strap is not long enough though to carry the handbag as a crossbody. Now when I store my handbag, I know, and he's still in front of the camera, I am going to just take really a lot of the papers that were used to wrap the handbag, and I just stuff them as much as I can in the handbag. And I was looking last week at the different websites that make pillows to put inside the handbags, but I didn't want to spend the money on them, because if I can use the papers, why do I need the pillows? Why do I need to spend money on those pillows to keep the shape of the handbag? I don't know. Maybe I should, but I have not done it yet. So there, now the handbag is nicely stuffed, and then I just put it in my dust bag. So this is pretty quick and easy for me to store my handbags, because then when I switch them around, it's easy for me to get to them. And I always sit my handbags like this when I store them. I don't really like to lay them flat, but I don't think it will hurt them if I lay them flat, as long as I don't put stuff on top of them. So basically this is how it lays. I know, this is how it sits in my closet. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video for this beautiful, beautiful Chanel handbag. Now I get to wear it, and oh my gosh. But ladies, if you want to watch more of my videos on Chanel handbag, I have videos right here. Pick another video to watch. Thank you so much. Bye.